sweetie. Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Say Happy Tea Tuesday.
Happy Tea Tuesday.
Can you tell them your name?
Brooklyn.
And Brooklyn, are you in school?
Yeah.
Oh, do you like school?
Yeah.
Good. Well, say bye.
Bye.
Say I'll see you next time.
I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Brooklyn, what are you going to say?
Say subscribe to Grandma and give this video a big thumbs up. Restart it, Grandma. Go. Say subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.
Subscribe. Get this video up.
Good
Big
girl.
thumbs up. Woo!
Ooh, a big thumbs up. Great.
Careful
Hi.
with Grandma with the swing though.
Hi.
Daddy, I picked it.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.